Our phones are supposed to make life easier, but sometimes they feel like a source of chaos. With endless apps, notifications, and digital clutter, it's no wonder we feel overwhelmed. The good news? Decluttering your digital life doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few small changes, you can transform your phone into a tool that brings simplicity and calm into your daily routine. Here are 7 easy ways to declutter your digital life and simplify your phone. 1. Declutter your apps. Let's start with your apps. How many apps on your phone do you actually use? Chances are, there are plenty you haven't touched in months. They're just sitting there, taking up space and making your home screen feel chaotic. The first step to simplifying your phone is to go through your apps and delete the ones you don't use. Ask yourself, when was the last time I opened this? If it's been over a month and it's not essential, let it go. Once you've trimmed the list, organize the remaining apps into folders. For example, you can create folders for work, entertainment, or health. This way, everything is easy to find, and your home screen looks clean and tidy. With fewer apps cluttering your phone, you'll feel a sense of relief every time you unlock it. It's amazing how something so simple can make your phone feel lighter. 2. Turn off non-essential notifications. Do you really need to know every time someone likes your post or sends you an email? Notifications are designed to grab your attention. But most of them are just distractions. Take a moment to go through your notification settings. Turn off alerts for apps that aren't critical, like social media or games. Keep notifications for things that truly matter, like messages, calls, and reminders. If you're worried about missing something important, you can schedule Do Not Disturb mode during specific times, like when you're working or sleeping. This will silence non-essential notifications while still allowing urgent ones to come through. Reducing the constant barrage of alerts will give you more peace of mind. You'll feel less reactive and more in control of your time. 3. Clean up your photos and videos. Let's talk about your photo gallery. How many screenshots, blurry selfies, or duplicate pictures are in there right now? It's easy for photos and videos to pile up, but cleaning them out can make a huge difference. Start by deleting anything you don't need, blurry shots, duplicates, or random screenshots you'll never look at again. Once you've cleared the clutter, consider organizing your photos into albums. For example, you can create folders for family, travel, or work. If your phone is running out of storage, back up your important photos to a cloud service like Google Photos or iCloud. This way, you can free up space without losing your favorite memories. A clean photo gallery is like a breath of fresh air. It's easier to find what you're looking for, and scrolling through your photos becomes a joy rather than a chore. 4. Streamline your home screen. Your home screen is the first thing you see when you unlock your phone, so it should feel calm and organized. If it's cluttered with random apps and widgets, it's time to simplify. Start by removing anything that doesn't need to be there. Aim to fit all your essential apps on one screen. Use folders to group similar apps together, and keep your layout clean. Choosing a simple wallpaper can also make a big difference. A neutral background reduces visual noise and makes your phone feel more intentional. With a streamlined home screen, you'll feel more focused and less distracted. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on how you use your phone. 5. Organize your files and notes. Just like a messy desk can slow you down, disorganized digital files can create stress. Taking the time to tidy up your files and notes will save you time and frustration in the long run. Start by going through your Downloads folder. Delete any old or irrelevant files that are just taking up space. For important documents, move them to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox and organize them into folders. The same goes for your notes. If you have scattered notes across multiple apps, consolidate them into one place, like Evernote or Notion. Organize your notes by category or project so they're easy to find when you need them. Once you've cleaned up your files, make it a habit to do a quick digital cleanup every month. This small routine will keep your phone organized and stress-free. 6. Unsubscribe and unfollow. Your digital clutter isn't just on your phone, it's in your inbox and social media feeds too. Unsubscribing from unnecessary emails and unfollowing accounts that no longer serve you can create a sense of calm and clarity. Start with your email. Use a tool like Unroll.me to quickly unsubscribe from newsletters and promotions you don't read. This will help declutter your inbox and reduce the number of distractions you face each day. Next, take a look at your social media accounts. Are you following people or pages that inspire you? Or are they adding unnecessary noise to your feed? Unfollow accounts that don't align with your values or goals, and curate your feed to reflect the content you truly enjoy. Simplifying your digital space will make you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. It's like giving your mind a breath of fresh air. 7. Optimize your phone settings. Your phone has built-in tools to help you stay focused and productive. You just need to use them. Start by exploring your phone's focus modes. These settings allow you to limit access to certain apps during specific times, like work hours or personal time. For example, you can set up a mode that only allows calls and essential apps while blocking everything else. Another helpful feature is screen time limits. Use these tools to monitor how much time you're spending on certain apps and set daily limits for the ones that tend to distract you. Finally, customize shortcuts for actions you do frequently, like calling a favorite contact or opening your calendar. These small tweaks can make your phone feel more efficient and user-friendly. Optimizing your phone settings is like giving it a tune-up. It helps you get the most out of your device without letting it take over your life. The joy of a decluttered digital life. Decluttering your digital life isn't just about making your phone look cleaner. It's about creating space for what really matters. When your phone is simplified and organized, it becomes a tool that works for you, not against you. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and more in control of your time. Plus, you'll save yourself the frustration of digging through clutter to find what you need. So, where will you start? Maybe it's turning off notifications, cleaning up your photo gallery, or unsubscribing from those pesky emails. Whatever step you choose, take it one at a time. Simplifying your digital life is a journey, and every small step makes a difference.